charity and growth plans and serves as a beacon of inspiration to British Asian women. Your work extends beyond the studio, enriching the community with your poetry and nurturing spirit, truly embodying the power of mind over matter. Congratulations.
Namaste, I'm Nikita, and I would like to introduce you to Journey with Nikita. I take people on a journey from where they are now to where their soul is longing to be. I guide men and women of all ages through a range of transformative modalities, including mindful movement, yoga, meditation, chakra balancing, Reiki healing, and neuro-linguistic programming. My brand is based on 3 pillars: healing, wellbeing, and personal development. Healing is my signature treatment, known as Reiki Ritual. Reiki Ritual is unique because it combines traditional energy healing with essential oils and talking therapy. Wellbeing is at the heart of the workshops and retreats that I host in luxury locations. I cover a range of activities with participants, including yoga, breathwork, meditation, chakra balancing, and vision boards. Personal development is diving deeply into who you are and defining your unique purpose. I do this by applying a framework to an ancient concept known as Dharma. Aside from my offerings, I have a free guided meditation channel and a podcast which covers a broad range of topics related to mindfulness, well-being, spirituality, and positive mindset. I also have a published book titled Meditation Through Poetry, which is a compilation of thought-provoking poems I have been writing since childhood for daily inspiration. A special part of my relationship with my clients is that I am on a journey with them. I am transparent about my highs and lows and do not hold back from showing up and being me. My vision is of a world where we are all living in alignment with our unique purpose. Are you ready to join me on this journey?